Hi, my name's Steve Ray. I'm here with UK Planet Tools at Makita UK's head office in Milton Keynes to go through some of our new outdoor products available now at UK Planet Tools. We're going to have a look at the wheelbarrow, which is the DCU604Z. Let's have a look at some more detail. So this is the DCU604Z brushless wheelbarrow from Makita. You've obviously got 4 wheels, 2 of them are the driving wheels, 2 are there for just balance and guidance. The 2 on the front are the powered wheels, which are powered by the brushless motor and have vented disc brakes on there as well to help it stop. On the back, we've got 2 sets of wheels here for sturdying up the machine. They are on casters as well, or they can be locked in the straight position. And they're there to keep the balance of the machine when carrying heavy loads. The unit itself will carry up to 300 kilograms on a flat surface. And if you're using it on a 12-degree incline or decline, it will do up to 180 kilograms. It will achieve that across 3 speed selectors as well. So you've got 1.5 kilometers an hour, 3.5 up to 5 kilometers an hour across the 3 settings. And then you also run this machine off of 4 LXT batteries, which it will use 2 at a time, which you can use by the selector on the top of the unit to decide which 2 batteries you're going to use. It has a disc lock brake on there as well, so whenever you're using it for any of the mode selections or transporting any of the goods that you don't want to roll down uneven surfaces, the lock brake on the side of the machine will lock the machine, and it does have a trigger underneath so you can lock it into position and then just flick that lock off when you're ready to move with the wheelbarrow. The wheelbarrow is powered by a brushless motor in the machine, which is controlled by the trigger switch on the right hand side handle. All the handles themselves are fully adjustable, so depending on your height you can adjust them to suit. You do have a reverse function that goes at 1 kilometers an hour and also adds an audible beep to let you know you're going in reverse. We then have also on the side of there, just for use when you're going forwards, there is a horn button as well, so if you do need someone to get out of the way or let them know that you're coming, you can sound the horn to let them know you're there. The wheelbarrow has twin LEDs on the front as well, which is controlled by the switch on the control unit. And then with this machine as well as having it in powered mode, which is controlled by the brushless motor, we can then disengage that with the front lever at the front, which will allow you to be in free mode, which will allow you to wheel it around as if a normal wheelbarrow. When you're buying the wheelbarrow, you get it as a frame, and then you have the option to then buy the cage on the top, which is for transporting goods, flat loads, sheet material. You can then change it to a standard bucket, which you would find on a conventional wheelbarrow. So if you're moving sand, cement, that type of thing around, you can use that. And then there is a water bucket attachment, which is a large plastic bucket which you can fill with water, which you can take around if you're using it to feed livestock, that type of thing. With the wheelbarrow as well, it does have a tilt function, which is done on a hydraulic lift. So there's a button just inside here which I can flip forward, and it will allow me to move the cage or bucket nice and controlled, tip the load up, empty the load out of material that you've got, and then when we want to put it down, we just hold the handle at the top and the cage will drop back down onto the motor and lock into position. So that is the DCU604Z 36 volt LXT brushless wheelbarrow from Makita UK.